Hello students, welcome to the second session of the chapter Integers of Standard 7. In our previous class, we studied addition and subtraction using the number lines. So today, we'll solve few more examples on the integers. So the first question given here is, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. See here, they have given a number line. They have mentioned the places over there, which shows the temperature of those places. They have mentioned Lahuspati, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, and Bangalore. 5 places they have mentioned. So they have given the temperature of the places. We have to identify the temperature. So first question is, observe this number line and write the temperatures of the places marked on it. We have to observe and write whatever the temperature of that places is mentioned on it. So first place is Lahuspati. So how much is the temperature here? See here, you have to start counting from right to the left. So here it is -5, -6, -7, -8. How much it is? -8 degree Celsius. Because when it is in the minus, you will start the counting from the right hand side. When it is in the positive side, you will go from the left hand side. So next, Srinagar. See here. Here it is 0. After -1, -2 is -2 degree Celsius. Next, Shimla is exactly on 5, so write 5 degrees Celsius. Next comes Ooty. Ooty is after 10 and before 15. That is, means temperature is in between 10 and 15. So after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how much degree it is? 14 degrees Celsius. Next comes Bangalore. It is between 20 and 25. So temperature of Bangalore 21, 22 degrees Celsius. See here, which one is the hottest place here? Bangalore will be the hottest place with 22 degrees Celsius, and which is the coldest place, Lahuspati, with the -8 degrees Celsius. If it is in a minus, it is coldest place. If it is in a positive, then you will take it as a hottest place. So highest is Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius. It is the hottest, and coldest is -8 degrees Celsius. So this is how you will identify the temperatures on the number line. You will see the next question. That is, I told you the hottest and the coldest place. So we will find the difference between the hottest and coldest place. We will find the difference between the hottest and coldest place. What is the temperature difference? What is the temperature difference? What is the temperature difference between hottest and coldest place? So we have to find the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place. So which is the hottest place here? Which has got the highest degree Celsius? That is, Bangalore has got 22 degrees Celsius. So hottest place is Bangalore with 22 degrees Celsius, and coldest will be Lahuspati with -8 degree Celsius. So we have to find the temperature difference. Difference means we have to subtract. Difference is equal to 22 degree minus, how much is the temperature here? It is minus 8, right in a bracket, minus 8 degrees Celsius. So it will become 22 degree, minus into minus will be plus over there. It will become plus 8 degree. 22 plus 8 will be 30 degrees Celsius. So the temperature difference between hottest and coldest place is 30 degrees Celsius. So we'll see the next question. See the next question. What is the temperature difference? Next question. What is the temperature? What is the temperature difference? What is the temperature difference between? What is the temperature difference between Spiti and Srinagar? Spiti and Srinagar. We have to find the temperature difference between Spiti and Srinagar. So how much is Spiti here? It is minus 8 degrees Celsius, and Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. So subtract. Here subtraction is very important. We have to subtract from greater number. We have to subtract a smaller number. Which one is greater here? Minus 8 or minus 2? See here. Whenever it comes with a minus sign, the number with the less number will be the greater here. For example, minus 8 and minus 2. Here minus 2 will be greater. If you see on the number line, so minus 2 will be greater compared to minus 8. Minus 2 will be greater compared to the minus 8. That means difference. While finding the difference, we have to write minus 2. Difference means we have to subtract minus of minus 8 degree. Minus 2 degree minus of minus 8 degree. Minus 2 degree minus into minus will be plus 8 degrees Celsius. So it will be 8 minus 2 will be 6 degree Celsius. So the temperature difference between Spiti and Srinagar is 6 degree Celsius. Okay. See here, next question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than temperature of Shimla? This is the first part of the question. We will solve the first part. Temperature taken together means we have to add temperature of Srinagar plus Shimla. What is the temperature of Srinagar? That is minus 2 degrees Celsius and Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So on adding, so which one is the greater number here? It is 5. 5 has a plus sign, so write 5 as it is, plus as it is. 5 minus 2 will be 3. It will become 3 degrees Celsius. So can we say that temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Yes, it is less, because 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature of Shimla. This is the first part of the question. Next, is it also less than Srinagar? Is 3? No. Next part of the question. 3 degrees Celsius is greater than minus 2 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature of Srinagar. Which is the temperature of Srinagar. So here, yes, here you can write answer as yes, because 5 degrees Celsius is greater than 3 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature of Shimla. And the second part of the question, is it also less than Srinagar? No, it is not less than Srinagar, because 3 degrees Celsius is greater than minus 2 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature of Srinagar. See, there is one more question. What is the temperature difference between Srinagar and Bangalore? So, what is the temperature of Bangalore here? The temperature of Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius, and temperature of Srinagar is, how much it is given? Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. What is the difference? Difference means you have to subtract difference. That is 22 degrees Celsius minus of minus 2 degrees Celsius. So it will become minus into minus will be plus 2 degree. On adding it will become 24 degrees Celsius. So this is how you calculate the temperature difference. Or a simple thing I will tell, if you don't want all this complication, if you want to solve directly, see here. What is the temperature between Srinagar and Bangalore? They have told. So Srinagar is here, Bangalore there. So start counting numbers from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 is the difference. Using number line, very simple. If they ask, what is the temperature difference between Lahuspati and Srinagar? Lahuspati is here and Srinagar is here. So calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 degrees Celsius. Easily you can calculate. Next, if they ask what is the temperature difference between Ooty and Shimla, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 degrees Celsius, because 14 minus 5 will be 9. Using number lines we can easily calculate. This is the simple way of calculating, and this is how you solve according to the method. So today's homework, the following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. The first question, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Second, what is the temperature difference between hottest and coldest place? What is the temperature difference between Jammu and Arunachal Pradesh? This is your homework. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you in the next session. Thank you.